Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question how to fix when your Plantronics Backbeat Pro keep disconnecting. Firstly, we need to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone. We can check it in the settings. So right here we have no connection because it moved from my devices to safe devices. If you have iOS, you will see information that it's not connected. And then open the charging case. Your earbuds will reconnect with your phone and it should return to my devices if you have Android, or you will see the information that is connected or in use. It depends also of Android phone. Next step, if the soft reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. And to do this, we need to use Backbeat application. Open it. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and after that, go to the settings at the right top and scroll down. At the bottom we have reset settings. Tap at this line, then click reset headset and reset headset. Here we go, then click done. Now hide the application, go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and it automatically removed your earbuds, so click pair new device at the top if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so tap on them at the device list, click pair, and now it asks you to add the right earbud, the left earbud, sorry. Click pair also, and we did it. Now check, if the factory reset didn't help you, we can also reset Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to iOS. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path. Now on your iPhone, go to the settings, then scroll down and you need to find System. Enter into the system, then scroll down, and at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Tap at this line. In this window we need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So click reset if it's okay for you. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to general settings. Then scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click reset, and in this window you need to select reset network settings. There is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So tap at this, write your password, and once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, click reset network settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!